Hi, I'm Bridger Faith with University of Idaho Extension. Here at University of Idaho Extension, we seek to build a thriving, prosperous, healthy Idaho. We do that by identifying and assessing the needs of our local communities that we serve throughout the state, and then addressing those needs by bringing applied knowledge and research from the University of Idaho to our local communities. We truly value our partnerships and relationships with the people and communities of Idaho, and we are proud of the positive impacts that we've made. In this series, we're going to share some examples of some of those positive impacts with you. In this episode of Impacting Idaho, we're going to talk about empowering sugar beet farmers through sustainable practices. A group of extension educators, as well as extension specialists from here at the Kimberly Research and Extension Center, in collaboration with Amalgamated Sugar, put on the Idaho Sugar Beet Conference. The Idaho Sugar Beet Conference impacted over 176 growers and industry representatives and covered topics such as beneficial insects, drone technologies, and weed control.
I can't say that this was all me. There's a large team that's involved in this at the Kimberly Research and Extension Center, and multiple specialists and other people involved with this, so none of this would be possible without them. But really, the purpose of these workshops is like many of the workshops that we do. We're trying to address new and emerging problems with the audiences that we're working with. So for farmers working with sugar beets, they have significant challenges with diseases and pest management. So that was the purpose of these conferences. But the thing that we did that was unique with this is we used Kahoots, which is a live polling system. So we can ask questions live, we can poll them, and they get to interact with us as we go. So as we are presenting, we ask them questions to see if they're understanding, let them answer questions almost like a quiz show. There's lots of different things, but the great thing about this is we had, hundreds of people at this conference participating in surveys, doing these types of things, collaborating with specialists and working together on big teams, and then trying to find novel ways to collect data. I think that's what was so impactful about this program. Some of the impacts of this is based on our survey responses through the live polling. Overwhelmingly, the farmers wanted to focus on implementing new sustainable practices. They said that was a takeaway that they had based on our survey data. By trying to, ask farmers how we can be better, how we can do better, and also just asking them what they learned and helping tell our story of all the people that we help in Extension, because we do a lot of great work.
147 of the attendees reported a better understanding of integrated approaches and a plan to implement them, while 73 of the attendees planned to implement some drone technology, and 99 of the attendees agreed that they would regularly check EPA bulletins in regard to sugar beet production. If you're interested in this type of programming, or you've identified other needs within your community, reach out to your local University of Idaho Extension office. This concludes this episode of Impacting Idaho. I'm Bridger Faith with University of Idaho Extension. Now let's all go out and help build a thriving, prosperous, healthy Idaho.